Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Calendly to Google Sheets using Integrately. This lets you record every new meeting or booking directly in a spreadsheet without doing it manually. First head over to Integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To get started, select Calendly as your trigger application, and then choose Google Sheets as the action application. You'll also find the direct Integrately link for this automation in the description below. Now let's build a custom automation. Set the trigger to Invitee is created in Calendly, and the action to Create Spreadsheet Row in Google Sheets. Then click Go. Next, connect your Calendly account. Once signed in, authorize Integrately to access your invitee data and continue. Then connect your Google Sheets account and make sure to grant all the necessary permissions so Integrately can add new rows automatically. Select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the new data from Calendly to be added. In the Automation Builder, map the data fields from Calendly to Google Sheets. For this example, we'll map the invitee's name and email address. Finally, click Test and Turn On to activate your automation. Once it's live, you'll see a confirmation message. The Integrately link is in the description below. And that's it. Calendly to Google Sheets ready to go with Integrately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to try it yourself.